The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a masterpiece in the realm of investment literature. It is the book that laid the foundation for value investing, a strategy that has been embraced by some of the most successful investors in the world, including Warren Buffett. The core principle of Graham's approach is to treat investing as a business rather than a gamble. He advocates for a thorough analysis of a company's financial health and the determination of its intrinsic value before considering any investment. This methodology forms the bedrock of value investing, emphasizing the importance of buying stocks when they are undervalued. One of the central ideas in the book is the concept of Mr. Market. Graham paints a vivid picture of Mr. Market as a manic-depressive character who offers to buy or sell shares at varying prices every day. He encourages investors to take advantage of Mr. Market's irrationality by focusing on the fundamentals and not being swayed by market sentiment. The margin of safety is another fundamental concept in Graham's philosophy. He advises investors to only purchase stocks when their market price is significantly lower than their intrinsic value, providing a cushion against potential losses. This principle helps protect investors from the volatility of the market. Throughout the book, Graham provides practical advice on constructing a well-diversified portfolio to spread risk, managing investment expectations, and avoiding common mistakes made by inexperienced investors. He also discusses the importance of a conservative and disciplined approach to investing, emphasizing the need for patience and a long-term perspective. What sets The Intelligent Investor apart is its timeless relevance. Despite being first published in 1949, the wisdom it imparts remains pertinent in today's complex financial markets. The enduring legacy of this book is evident in the success of investors who have adhered to Graham's principles. In conclusion, The Intelligent Investor is more than just a book. It's a comprehensive guide to intelligent and prudent investing. Benjamin Graham's timeless principles of value investing, margin of safety, and disciplined decision-making continue to provide valuable insights for investors seeking financial success and security.